Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to turn off text message notifications on Android. Let's go. Text message notifications can be distracting at times, especially when you're trying to focus or relax. First of all, open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down to the apps. Now search for the Messages app. Then tap on Messages. Select the Messages app and then tap Notifications. To disable text message notifications on your Android device, simply toggle off this switch over here. This is exactly how you can disable text message notifications on an Android device. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.